Yes, so today I'm going to be showing you how you can send better parcels for Depop. It's so easy what you got to do. It probably take you a couple more steps than you normally would, but it's so worth it. It'll make your items seem so much better when they arrive. But I'll get into now how I do it, and I'll show you each step of me packaging and sending the items. Call me Casey, nice start of that little edit, but let's get into sending the first item, which is this Brazil top, which sold on Boxing Day for £18. Let's get into actually folding it to slide into our poly mailer. If you don't have any poly mailers, the link to the video to how to send your items in a bin bag will be in the cards and in the description now. That's how I used to do it. It's so simple to do. The poly mailers do make it a lot easier though. On to our next item, which is this Nike track jacket, which sold on Christmas Day for £25. Really wanted to keep it myself, but I couldn't. £25 was too good to turn down. As you can see, the way I folded it as well is the best way to fold any jackets or jumpers, because it slides neatly into the poly mailer and it looks neat when it arrives to the person. Everything like this is to do with presentation. It's all about how good the item looks when it arrives to the person. But now we've headed over to my desk to start writing out the thank you card that goes with the item. And as well, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel so we can hit 1k by the end of the year. Kind of my dream, so it'd be much appreciated if you did go and subscribe. Just cutting down the thank you card as well, trying to make the line as straight as physically possible. As you can see, there's a lot of concentration going into trying to cut this card straight, but it's definitely worth it, because say you receive the card all wonky, it doesn't look very good. As I said, all of this kind of stuff is a lot to do with presentation. These cards as well are definitely worth doing, because I've had a lot of comments on the cards from people who have bought my items saying that they did like it and did appreciate the card. But now we're just getting out the pens. I'm choosing green and yellow because they're the colours of the Brazil top that we're sending. I like to choose the colours of the item. It just makes it look a lot better. But as you can see, we've written out the card as neat as possible, and I added the person's name. Just a nice little personal touch. But now we've added the back, which we've put on my Instagrams and my YouTube, which you aren't following them as well, they're in the description. But now once again, we're just repeating the same process as we did before, writing the card as neatly as possible using the colours of the item, as you can see, and as well adding their name once again as a nice little personal touch, and just doing the back of the card once again, doing exactly the same with my Instagram and my YouTube on it. And as well, I like to add little sweets or lollies to the items. It's just a nice little touch as well. They don't cost a lot either. For 18 lollies, it's only £1, so it's not going to really reduce the profit margin on your item at all. But it's a nice little touch just to add into the cards. And as you can see now, I'm just sticking the poly mailer together, trying to stick it as neat as physically possible. I like to as well slide the cards into the middle of the item, so it's a little bit of a surprise for the person. Say you just put it on top, it's the first thing you see. Say you put it in the middle, when you open it up, it kind of falls out, and it's a nice little surprise. It's just a nice little touch. You don't have to slide it inside, but as I said, it's like a little surprise. Add something else to it, and there you're adding something for nothing. Now moving on to writing the shipping label. I'm just cut off them little things on the sides of the cards that come off when I rip the cards out of the books that they come from, and as well just writing out the address as neat as physically possible so the post people can read it nice and clearly. Now sticking on the address label as neatly as possible to the front of the package, and as well applying enough tape so the address won't come off when it is being posted, because you don't want that. You don't want your item being lost in the post. Now to head off to the post office, where the prices have gone up, so it's now £3.85 for first class or £3.20 for second class shipping. But I hope you enjoyed this video on me showing you how I package my items. As I said, I only do a couple little extra steps, but it really makes your item seem so much better when it arrives, and makes it kind of seem like personalized to the person with the little cards. But if you watched to this point in the video, you must have somewhat enjoyed it. So please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in the future. There's going to be loads more Depop content, loads more just other content in general, unboxings, clothing hauls. Hopefully I'm going to another pre-loved key-loft sale soon, so the video on that should be coming. And to see when I go to the pre-loved key-loft sale or what kind of videos are coming soon, the link to my Instagram's in the description and I'll put it up on the screen now. I do daily posts of what I'm up to, what I'm posting, and you even get to see videos early. But I hope you enjoyed this video. There's going to be loads more content coming soon every Saturday and Thursday at 5 PM. Please like, subscribe and comment down below any videos you'd like to see in the future.